everyone, welcome back. This is a flip through of a journal I've been asked to make for a lady. She wanted hummingbird. So as for the hummingbird, Tsunami Rose hummingbird kit, which is what I've used. It's a writing journal. This lady does classes and these are what she makes her notes in. So it's quite a thick book. It weighs a ton. I have to say it is probably a very good job that it's actually stopping here in the UK, because I think that postage to the States would be, well, it weighs over a kilo, this thing does. So if we go through it, 6 by 8 3/4 with it's just over a 2-inch spine. Got a picture of a hummingbird on the front. Can I get that to show up? Yep, there we go. So we've got an embossed hummingbird on the front with a couple of different shades of gilding wax, and the writing on the what are these? On the label on the front is "in the shadow of your wings," which I thought was, I like that. So Tim Holtz fastener, coloured seam binding, and distressed on the back. So, quick run through, Tina, if you're watching, I hope this is what you had in mind. So we have, this is actually a page from a Deli Girl kit. The front and the back ones are, I've just split them in half and changed the size a little bit. It's just the colours go perfectly with this. So these are my own pictures, the colour ones are. There's loads of digital stamping on them. That's part of the Tsunami Rose, the hummingbird kit, which is that page there. I've used cream paper all the way through, including printing up the kit, the Tsunami Rose kit, and then lined on the back. Edith Holden, there's some poetry, embroidery, oh, stitchery it's called, quilting. It's some 1940s, I think, 1930s, 1940s sewing book. Now, Tina asked for extra pages, so I've put extra lined pages in. So loads of writing pages. These are part of the Tsunami Rose kit. I've just shrunk the pages down just to make a bit of interest. So we have stitched pockets with a little tag. More digital stamping, part of the kit. We have, what we got there, dictionary paper. Love the feel of these dictionary paper. Now this is out of a children's encyclopedia from early 40s, if I think. And I thought, well, that was quite appropriate about making a fountain pen. Now this is out of a 1934 edition of the Great Western Railway journey across Cornwall. And pictures of Halston. Pictures from my kit. Oh, well, not my kit, my pictures. And this is part of the Tsunami Rose kit. The centre pages are sort of really pretty. And we have pockets. The Cornish book. Digital stamping. Part of the kit. I will flick through these quite quickly because a lot of them are plain paper. Applique. Poetry. Edith Holden. I just like the foxgloves. I like the colours. Thought they went really well with this. I couldn't make my mind up whether to go for pink or for green inside. I think we've gone for pink. Some more of my pictures. That's part of the kit. This is out of the Victorian Ladies book. As I said, gone for pink. And this is a 1930s music book. Pockets, got the kits, trunk down kit. Oh, this is Dartmoor tour. Now I know we've got a tour here in Glastonbury, but that's one I actually remember as a kid. That one is. Some more stitchery. The kits. This is printed on vellum. I love how delicate it looks. And also you don't need to decorate the back of it as well. That's always useful. That's a watermark centre page. It just looks very surreal. You tell them in a good mood. The kids have gone back to school. Woohoo! 2 days snow day and I'm ready to curl up and go to sleep, I think, for a week. Applique. Oh, a wren's nest. Ah, Dartmoor pony. Dictionary page. Side tuck. Side tuck? Yep, I think so. Got the kits. Pockets. Oh, there's bits of cotton everywhere. And third signature. Oh, sorry, there are 5 signatures and about 200 pages plus all the other bits. So yeah, don't normally make them this big. Poetry. Well, that's out of the Children's Encyclopedia. This is out of that Great Western Railway trips around Cornwall. Parts of the kits. This is one of those wonderful bags from Crafty Arena. I've just done a collage on the front of it. It's got a tag from the kit, if I can get it back in. The pockets. Some Edith Holden. Poetry. Crochet. I never actually mastered the art of crochet. I can knit and I can sew, but I can't crochet. That's out of the Tsunami Rose kit. These are my pictures. Big tag in there. Writing papers, part of the kit. I've done a collage on the fronts with another big tag in the back. I love that description of this picture here. An odd corner in Mousel, which is a little village in Cornwall. An odd corner. Right. Well, I suppose in the 30s that was pretty descriptive. Back of the poetry from Tennyson. More writing. My pictures, and this is the 4th signature. Another text files. Bit more printed vellum. Some of the Victorian Ladies Flower Book. Music paper. Salami Rose Kit. I will put links to the Salami Rose underneath. And that was a couple of pages, I think, or a couple of big tags I've put together, and it just breaks up the pages a bit, doesn't it? Some more digital stamping. Edith Holden. Sewing book, weaving. Side tuck, part of the kits. watermark in the centre. Kits. And the back of the pages. I love those combination of colours. Seem to go so nicely. Digital stamping. Sweet peas. Nice pockets. Some more of the printed vellum. And the last signature. Pocket there. Cover kit. Some more digital stamping. Again, this is from the Children's Encyclopedia. The great words that stir the hearts and minds of all mankind. Okay. Crochet. I thought that was needlepoint. Wow. I'm in awe of these ladies that do crochet flowers. I can't. I've tried. I've failed. Holden, some more poetry, some more the Cornish book, a couple of my prints, and these are from the Tsunami Rose kit. Pockets. And we are getting towards side tuck, crocheting, more digital stamping up there, and some more. I think that's going to be my favourite page of the kit actually. Very nice. And that's the Deli Girl, part of the Deli Girl pattern that I sort of cut in half. There we go. Tina, I hope that's what you're after. There is certainly loads of room for journaling. Hopefully you won't get through it quite so quick. Very pleased with that one. Well, thank you very... Get me words, get me teeth in straight. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye.